Hello, food friends. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great Wednesday so far. Sorry, it's kind of a little late. It's about 9:10. It's kind of somewhat bright out there. It's getting a little darker, but still kind of bright out there. But sorry to say that twice, but it is. But I'm having one. Let me push this a little bit. Here we go. Having a half breakfast burrito by El Monterey, egg, cheese, jalapeno. I really love the stuff. All you gotta try that stuff. It's pretty awesome. Gotta do the mom's best cereal, like the Honey Smacks or the Sugar Golden Crisp. They're their kind, and a couple of peace tea, not tree. What's wrong with me? I'm a little sleepy and all, but I'm hanging in there. Let's go eat here. See it right there. Don't look good. Hope you all doing well. Put this little back here a little bit. There we go. Oh, you gotta try this stuff. Any kind of mom's best cereal. It's pretty good. If you have it at your local supermarket. Not too much on tonight though for TV. I got some wrestling recorded right now. Lucha Underground. New episode just came out an hour ago. It's on the L Ray Network. If you're a wrestling fan like me, though, you definitely gotta check it out. Come on about every Wednesday night. Some on the L Ray Network. It's a half of season 3 right now. Um, it's started back up 2 weeks ago. Let's come up Sunday. Is the pay per view of it's called Money in the Bank of course it's by the WWE's on the W Network. I think I'm on 7 or 8 o'clock. This come up Sunday. Stay tuned. I'm gonna talk about one of the matches though. I'm kind of very interested in. It's kind of a little boring now. What, no basketball on and some hockey. A couple days ago, the Pittsburgh Penguins. I think it was Sunday. I think Saturday or Sunday. The Pittsburgh Penguins or the back-to-back Stanley Cup champion to beat the Nashville Predators 4-2. Of course, you know what happened in basketball. You know that. I don't want to talk about it, but yeah, the Golden State Warriors beat my Cleveland Cavaliers 4-1 on Monday. That's their second championship in 3 years. Of course, the Cavaliers had that historic comeback last year, down 3-1 and won the series. So we still got baseball, I guess. Football. Oh, NFL's not too far away. I think the preseason is late January. No, not January. Late July or early August. Regular season starts sometime in September. College football start early September. I'm gonna ask everybody a question though. Do you want me to try some certain new food, or it's gotta be healthy wise? But let me try some certain new food. Trying to find something that's affordable too, though. I don't know Scrooge McDuck or anything, but I'm not trying to find something healthy, but something affordable. Speaking of Scrooge McDuck, though, it's like everything's getting rebooted now this year. Real Grace is coming back this fall. Samurai Jack, though, just came early this year. Full House, well, Fuller House came out last year. Same thing with X Files. Next year is Roseanne coming back next fall. Remember DuckTales? It used to be a Disney comic book. Of course, the cartoon came out 30 years ago. It's supposed to be a reboot next sometime this year. I remember the cartoon back then. I remember that theme song, DuckTales. Ooh. I forgot how the rest of that goes, but that cartoon was so pretty awesome back then. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Theory was about done. I'm going to finish up here. Breakfast burrito. Yeah, so I can't wait. DuckTales will I don't know, wanted to reboot sometime this year, but I think it's about also will come on the Disney Channel or the Disney XD. It's kind of sad that the voice actor that did the Scrooge McDuck died last year. Of course, Alan Young, everybody knows him. Of course, played Wilbur on Mr. Ed back then. You know, he was, I think he was about 95, 96 years old. Definitely, he's a legend. Who likes Klondike bars? Raise my hand. I do. Remember those videos I did a couple months ago? Those Klondike bars? Those are really good. I was about done here. That's about it. I hope everybody liked this video. Take care. Peace.